Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Pune University's account for Transcript. So let's get started. So to log into your Pune University account for Transcript, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in the search bar you can search for login Pune University for Transcript. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option. And after tapping on that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here, if you want to download these transcripts, what you can do is just simply log into your account. So to log into your account, you can find the login option which is on the top right corner of your screen. So just tap on login. After tapping on login, now you can just enter your account's username and then password. After entering your username and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. Also tap on forgot password if you have forgotten your account's password, and by tapping on forgot password, you can reset or recover your account's password. So after recovering your account's password, you can just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created, then tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account, and then you can download your transcripts. You can also tap on create account if you don't have an account, recover your password. So do that if you can't recover your password, but if you can, what you can do is just simply enter your password and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, just log into your account and then download transcripts. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Pune University's account for transcripts. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.